Hello, my dear students. Today's topic is sex linked disorders and it is for class 12th. In the previous chapter, our main topic is principles of inheritance and variation, and we were dealing with the different diseases which occur due to the autosomal disorders. But the topic of the day is sex linked disorders. And the first disease which is due to sex linked disorders, that is hemophilia. We can also call it bleeder's disease. यानी न सेर यस कंटिन्यू खून आसि यिवान न खून आसि रुकान कहीं. It is a sex-linked recessive disorder discovered by the John Otto in 1803. ये बीमारी पहली बार एक साइंसदान ने, एक बायोलॉजिस्ट ने, एक हकीम ने, जिसका नाम जॉन ऑटो, 1803 की बात है, तो उसने इस पे जांच किया. The defect is known as bleeder's disease because the exposed blood of hemophilic patient fails to coagulate due to deficiency of blood clotting factor. Blood clotting factor. यानी युस हसा बेमारी छ यह छ लगान अकिस या युस अमुक पेशेंट आसान छ तस हसा छ खून का अगर तमिस कुन जाय जख्म लागे तमिस छ खून रुकान कहीं, खून छ तमिस जमा कहीं, खून छ तमिस बंद गसान रुकन कहीं. Due to what? Due to clotting factor, due to anti-hemophilic globin 80% or factor plasmathromboplastin 20%. These are the two factors which are responsible for this blood clotting, but when they are in a little quantity or when they are in efficient in a deficient position in our blood, there is every chance that this disease can occur. The two types of hemophilia are respectively called hemophilia A and hemophilia B. Hemophilia B is also known as Christmas disease. Hemophilia B, where the responsible factor is plasmathromboplastin. This is also called Christmas disease. Christmas is a जिस तरह हमारा ईद का दिन होता है, इसी तरह अंग्रेजों में in Christians there is a holy day that is called Christmas Day. This defect has been inherited by the many royal families of Europe through the Queen Victoria. This defect has been inherited. ये जो defect आया है by many royal families of Europe through the Queen Victoria. Queen Victoria के जरिए ये बीमारी जो है ये आगे इनहेरिट हुई है. लोग कहते हैं कि ये बीमारी रॉयल फैमिलीज़ के ज़रिए, यूरोप के रॉयल फैमिलीज़ जो हैं इन्हीं के ज़रिए ये आगे आगे चली है. ह्यूमन फीमेल्स आर जनरली कैरियर्स ऑफ दिस डिसऑर्डर. ह्यूमन फीमेल्स जो हैं दे आर जनरली कैरियर्स ऑफ दिस डिसऑर्डर एंड रिमेन नॉर्मल थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ. खुद तो वो ठीक रहते हैं लेकिन इसको चलाने में ह्यूमन फीमेल्स काफ़ी मदद करती हैं. If double recessive condition appears in a female, the same dies before birth. If double recessive condition appears in a female, the same dies before birth. Human males suffer from the disorder because of the homozygous nature of the most sex-linked traits. The defective males must be given either blood transfusion or required clotting factor if they are lead a normal life. Otherwise, even a small cut will cause loss of blood from the whole body so as to kill the individual. अगर मामूली सा कट आ जाए इस पेशेंट में, इस बीमारी में, तो बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. अगर इसमें ये दो फैक्टर्स लीक करते हों तो बड़ा मुश्किल है उसका जीना या उसका ज़िंदा रहना, क्योंकि उसमें खून रुकने का नाम नहीं लेता है. मैरिज बिटवीन ए कैरियर वुमेन, मान लीजिए उसने हमने उसका नाम ले लिया या सिंबल किया XXH and a normal man XY will produce a normal girl. Carrier girl, normal boy and hemophilic boy in the ratio of 1 normal girl, 1 carrier girl, 1 normal boy and 1 the hemophilic boy in the ratio of 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. Figure number 5.46. Transmission of hemophilia trait in the marriage between normal man and carrier woman. This here is a picture on your screen. You can see if we marry, if there takes place a marriage between a carrier woman, that is XXH, and XY normal man and carrier woman, जिसको ये बीमारी लगती हो या जो कैरियर वुमेन हो, तो उसमें आप इस स्क्रीन के ज़रिए ये खुद अंदाज़ा कर सकते हैं कि इसमें कितने चांसेस हैं. द मैरिज बिटवीन हीमोफिलिक मैन, now the marriage between hemophilic man XY raising H and normal woman XX will produce normal boys and carrier girls. वो हाँ normal boys पैदा हो सकते हैं, लेकिन carrier girls साथ साथ उनके आ सकते हैं. Now there's another figure, there is another picture. Inheritance of hemophilia allele in a marriage between hemophilic man and normal woman, जो मैंने आपको